Hi friends, I hope everybody's doing good. I know I haven't been on here in a while, but anyway, I just wanted to get on here and show you a new idea that I have for one of my travel art kits. So in the past year, I'd say, I started using these little Advil ibuprofen containers to put gesso, white gesso and clear gesso in for my little art kits. And you find these at a gas station or in an impulse section at a store. And they work great for something like this size, but I wanted something even smaller if I was going to make like a small kit for like a belt bag, fanny pack, whatever you want to call it. And so I had this idea of a contact case, and I couldn't find any. Well, I just found this at the Dollar General for like, I don't know, $1.79 or something like that. So anyway, I got this, and I put white gesso in this side, and then I put clear gesso, turning it the wrong way. I put clear gesso in this side. And what you could use this for is in your art journal. Like if you've got like some book pages or some kind of a design or something that like oil pastel might not go over real well, then you could take your clear gesso, and I take a little credit card, like a gift card, an old used gift card, and I cut it into a small little piece, and you can just like scoop it out like that and then just smear it onto your page. And then once the clear gesso dries, or you could do white gesso or mix them together, let it dry, and then you can go over and write with like a soft pastel or an oil pastel. So yeah, I just wanted to show that. And see, it's just so teeny tiny. It would fit in your pocket if you wanted. But I love teeny tiny little art kits. So I just wanted to share that, and I hope everybody's doing great. And I will be back on here with some more videos as soon as possible. Have a great day. Bye-bye.